Now the next type is type number 3, where we have to find cumulative probability distribution. What the cumulative probability distribution? Cumulative probability distribution is nothing but probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. So the first problem is find cumulative probability distribution, that is capital F of x. This is nothing but probability of x is less than or equals to x. Cumulative probability distribution is represented by capital F of x for a given probability distribution. So this is distribution given to us. So its solution is, by definition of cumulative probability distribution, f of x equals to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. So first is probability of x less than or equals to 1. So here it is 1. So what we have here, probability of x less than or equals to 1, only the probability corresponding to this 1. So we wrote here f of 1 equal to 0.05. When I am considering capital F of x equals to 2, its meaning is probability of capital X less than or equal to 2. In above problem, what do you observe? Probability of x less than or equals to 2. So less than or equals to 2, there are two probabilities. So summation of both gives me probability of x less than or equal to 2. So here I wrote it as probability of x less than or equal to 2 equal to probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. But what is probability of x equal to 1? 0.5. And what will be probability of x equal to 2? It is 0.015. Right? Then how do I find probability of x equal to 3? As early I considered probability of x less than or equal to 2. In the same way, I have to find probability of x less than or equal to 3. So what are my probabilities less than or equal to 3? So those are 3, 2 and 1's probabilities. So I have to consider this addition. Actually this addition is known to me. So I can write this addition plus 0.04, or if you want you can write all these probabilities, 3 probabilities together. So gives me 0.06. Similarly, for x equal is less than probability of x less than or equal to 4, I will consider sum of all these 4 probabilities. So here I considered this probability of x less than or equal to 3, its sum is 0.60. In addition with this probability of x equal to 4 is 0.10. So the answer is 0.70. And finally, if your variable is last variable, directly its probability of x less than or equal to 5 is nothing but p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 plus p of x equal to 4 plus p of x equal to 5. But this probability I know it is 0.7. So 0.7 plus the last probability 0.3 gives me my answer as 1. Whenever they will tell you, you have to find the probabilities of given function or cumulative probabilities of given function, your last probability should be equal to 1. This is written in tabular form, something like this. So when x equal to 1, you have to write same probability. When probability of x less than or equal to 2, you have to consider addition of these 2. So here I wrote it as 0.05 plus 0.15 gives me 0.20. Here this addition I wrote here, again 0.6 plus 0.1 is 0.7 and 0.7 plus 0.3 gives me 1. Yes, I wrote here note that cumulative probability distribution, it is nothing but the last probability should be